Look at that brave fire truck cruising along the bridge. It is heading out on a very important mission today.
I bet it is going to a giant birthday party to spray confetti everywhere, right?
Not quite, actually. Oh no, the bridge is opening and look out! That is a terrible accident.
Wow, that looked rough. Thankfully, here comes the hero of the day, our trusty tow truck, racing to the rescue.
Precision is key here. See how the tow truck carefully hooks onto the fire truck? It is a complex job, but the tow truck operator is a true professional. Slow and steady wins the race. They are heading back to the safety of the garage now.
Now the forklift takes over. It is like a giant mechanical dance, gently sliding the truck into its repair bay.
With the fire truck lifted on the hydraulic platform, the real maintenance begins. Skilled mechanics will replace the parts and check every single bolt. It is incredible to see how these machines work together to fit our city's helpers. Soon, it will be back on the road, shiny and ready for duty. What a great recovery! Look! The garage doors at the Super Construct building are opening. Something big is about to happen today.
Is it a giant robot? I bet it's a robot. Oh wait, it's a yellow loader. Still pretty cool, right?
That loader is clearing the way, pushing aside those trees to make a smooth path. It's the first step in building something amazing. Watch how focused the operator is. Every movement of that heavy machine levels the ground perfectly, removing every bit of debris in its way. The loader is finishing its job. And look, the dump truck is waiting patiently. They make such a great team, don't they?
I bet that truck is filled with snacks. Or maybe just heavy gravel? Yeah, definitely gravel for the new road.
That's exactly right. The truck is now dumping the gravel into the trench, building a sturdy foundation that will last for years. Choreographed dance. One truck after another, filling the space until the ground is solid and ready. The gravel is perfectly leveled now. They've turned that rough dirt into a strong, reliable base for our project. How clean that trench looks. It's all prepared and waiting for the final material to arrive. Construction is such precise work. Here comes the cement mixer. It's rolling out with purpose, ready to add the final layer to our road. It has arrived. That spinning drum is full of wet concrete, just waiting to be poured. And there it goes! The concrete flows out, covering the gravel. It's like watching a giant puzzle finally coming together. It's smoothing out so nicely. A steady hand and a heavy machine make all the difference when you're building a new path. The pour is complete and the road is finished. It's incredible to see how much we can accomplish when we work together with the right tools. See you next time for our next big project. Welcome to the farm, where the land waits in quiet anticipation for the season to begin.
Look at that big red tractor. It looks like it's just waiting for a giant race to start.
Actually, it's resting before the heavy work of the harvest. These fields are holding their breath for the water to arrive.
Whoa! The fields are flooding! Is the farm turning into a giant swimming pool?
Not quite, but this irrigation is magical. With enough water, the earth awakens and life bursts forth in vibrant colors.
Look at the size of those pumpkins! They are absolutely massive, like they've been eating their vegetables every single day.
The farm is a symphony of industry now. Between the tractor and the excavator, every corner is being prepped for the bounty. Watching the tractor glide past these towering plants really shows how hard this land works to feed us. And the excavator is the real muscle here, shaping the earth to ensure the water flows exactly where it needs to go. Listen to that gentle rush of water. It's the heartbeat of the farm, nourishing everything in its path as it cascades into the fields. And there goes the prize! That green tractor is hauling home the biggest carrot I've ever seen. What a perfect end to a day of growth and hard work. Welcome, everyone! Look at that peaceful cabin in the distance, waiting for a fresh start.
Whoa, check out those giants! Are those giant metal beetles invading the woods?
Not quite! Those are specialized construction machines. The red excavator is getting ready to clear the site. Look how precisely it moves. It's lifting that heavy wooden cart like it's made of paper. It's like a giant mechanical claw. Is it trying to build a puzzle with those concrete pipes? It's clearing the debris to make space for something beautiful. Every branch moved brings us closer to the goal. And just like that, the area is perfectly clear. The site is ready for the next phase of work. Now the heavy hitters arrive. The road roller and the loader are working together to smooth out the earth. Watch how the loader flattens the ground. It's like using a massive rolling pin to bake a giant cake. Behold the transformation. The cabin now has a stunning wooden deck. It's the perfect place to enjoy the sunset. Thanks for joining us on this construction journey today. Look at that gray Jeep navigating the bustling city streets. It has quite a journey ahead today.
Is it going to the car wash? I bet it needs a good scrub after all that driving.
Not quite, my friend. It is heading into the garage for some serious mechanical upgrades.
Wow, they are really taking it apart! That bumper is coming right off.
That is because the heart of the machine, the engine, needs to be inspected and refined. Every single bolt and gear is being laid out with absolute absolute precision.
It is like watching a puzzle come to life, or maybe a robot transforming into a superhero.
In a way, yes! Inside this chamber, the Jeep undergoes a remarkable transformation of color. Now it is getting a heavy-duty front loader. It is ready for some serious work now. With the engine back in place, our green friend is finally ready to hit the field. A perfect finish. It stands tall alongside the tractors, ready to tackle any challenge. High above the bustling city streets, a blue helicopter glides gracefully through the morning sky.
Oh no! Look out below! That massive white tank is falling right out of the clouds, and it's heading straight for the station!
What a terrible sight! The station is completely ruined by that unexpected impact. Don't worry, help is on the way. See that orange excavator? It's working hard to clear all this heavy rubble so the team can get to work.
I bet the truck driver is having a tough time fitting all that giant metal into the back of his red dump truck.
It takes patience and precision to clear a site like this. Every piece of debris must be removed systematically to ensure the ground is safe again. Now, a red tow truck arrives. It's here to rescue the damaged helicopter and take it to a place where it can be fixed up good as new.
Off they go! That tow truck is incredibly efficient, moving through the city with such purpose.
Look! The helicopter is back in the air, soaring peacefully above the city once more. It seems the helicopter is on a mission now, carrying that heavy tank to a much safer location. Perfect landing. The pilot has accomplished the task with great skill and care. The red dump truck returns, but this time it's bringing fresh materials to rebuild the station from the ground up. Everything is restored. As our blue helicopter flies over the brand new station, we can see that teamwork really does make the dream work. Until next time, keep looking up! Welcome to the farm, everyone! Look at those beautiful, sunny fields. It is a perfect day for our mechanical friends to get to work.
Hey, I see a blue truck and a yellow tractor. Are they racing each other to the barn?
Not quite. They're simply starting their busy day. The blue truck is heading out to move some supplies past the big red barn.
The yellow tractor is busy too. It's navigating through the vegetable rows. I bet it's looking for some giant snacks to haul.
They are parked together now. It looks like they are coordinating their plans for the harvest. Teamwork makes the farm work.
Whoa! Look at that massive pumpkin next to the tractor. That thing is absolutely enormous!
That is quite a prize, isn't it? Nearby, the red tractor stands ready by the windmill, waiting for its turn to help out.
The yellow tractor is surrounded by all these veggies. It's like a giant salad bar out here.
It certainly is a bountiful season. The red tractor makes its way through the cornfields and is ensuring everything is gathered efficiently.
Now the red tractor and the blue truck are joining forces. They must be getting ready for the big lift.
Exactly! By working together, the yellow and red tractors can lift that heavy giant pumpkin with ease. Precision is key. They've loaded the blue truck perfectly. What a great team! The farm is truly a place where hard work brings such happy rewards. And off they go! The blue truck drives away, successfully carrying the prize harvest. Thank you for joining us on this farm adventure today, and we hope to see you again soon! Look at that beautiful morning sun rising over the horizon to wake up our world.
It looks like a giant bathtub toy floating down the river. Is it carrying spaceships?
Not quite. Those are hard-working construction machines heading toward the city to help us rebuild.
They look so shiny and ready for a big day of heavy lifting.
Watch closely as the crane swings into action, carefully taking down the old structures to make room for something new. Now the bulldozer clears the path, pushing all the rubble aside so the streets can be clean again. The excavator is doing a fantastic job tidying up the final bits, ensuring every corner is perfectly neat and tidy. wonderful transformation. We have built a brighter future together today. Goodbye for now. Look at that sturdy orange truck carrying its heavy load of bricks. Oh no! Watch out for the riverbank!
Splish splash! I bet the truck just wanted to go for a refreshing afternoon swim, right?
Actually, that was quite an accident. Thankfully, here comes the red tow truck to save the day with its powerful winch. He's positioning himself perfectly. Precision is key when you're pulling a heavy vehicle out of the water. Heave ho! Look at that strength. The truck is back on solid ground where it belongs.
Wow, I didn't think he could lift that. That tow truck is basically a superhero on wheels.
The road ahead looks clear, but wait, that bridge looks a bit fragile under the weight of the green truck's massive block. Engineering challenges are always the most dramatic part of the journey. Against all odds, he makes it through. The confetti is falling, and the mission is a complete success. What a wonderful display of resilience and triumph to end our day. Look at that! A busy day on the farm begins. Our bear friend is ready to get to work.
Is he going to take that truck for a joyride across the whole country?
Not quite! He has a much more important mission. He is delivering life-giving water to these thirsty soil plots. Is a clever way to irrigate. By driving while he sprays, he covers so much ground efficiently. Magic is happening beneath the surface. With the sun and the water, those tiny seeds are finally waking up.
I bet he's looking for treasure. Maybe he's digging for gold?
Better than gold, he's found a bountiful harvest. Look at those beautiful, round watermelons.
Wow, those look delicious. I'm starving just watching them.
Work pays off as the harvester gathers the fruits of their labor. It is a true testament to patience and care. From a dry patch of earth to a truck full of sweet rewards, nature and effort have worked perfectly together. Welcome to the dusty plains, where the sun beats down on a town built by iron giants. Look at that red excavator, ready to bite into the solid earth.
It's trying to dig for buried treasure. Maybe it's looking for a giant snack. It's drilling so hard, the ground is literally shaking.
Not quite, my friend. It is actually breaking down the mountain to harvest stone. See how the rocks scatter? That is the start of a massive construction project.
Oh, here comes the cleanup crew. That orange excavator is moving fast, scooping up all those boulders. It's playing a giant game of shovel ball.
It is a very efficient worker indeed. By clearing the debris, it prepares the site for the next step in our industrial puzzle. They are working together. The loader and the excavator are a perfect team, moving those rocks into one big, organized pile. Now the heavy lifter takes over. That yellow claw machine has a grip like a titan, dropping rocks straight into the hungry jaws of the crusher. Everything is being transformed now. The raw stone flows through the presses, emerging as perfectly shaped, solid building blocks. And there goes our final product. Loaded high and ready for the road, that dump truck carries the town's future away. What a magnificent display of engineering harmony!